Meetings between party whips today. A number of measures have been agreed, and these meetings were held to enable the democratic process of this House and do what we were all elected to do here in Dáil, and that is to elect a Taoiseach and a government. All parties have agreed to allow the democratic process to proceed. There was a number of agreements, and it is my understanding that that is now in dispute. So, Ceann Comhairle, I now would say that the nomination of Taoiseach should proceed as per the order of the House.
I now proceed with the order of business, Deputy.
Ceann Comhairle.
The next item of business is the nomination of
Ceann Comhairle, in order for us to fulfil our democratic mandate, there has to be respect for the opposition
I
benches.
call on Deputy Albert Donald as
Ceann Comhairle.
There's a deputy standing. That is a disgrace, Ceann Comhairle. It is a disgrace. There is a deputy standing on a pitch.
And a privilege
That is
to finally stand here before Dáil,
unbelievable.
elected democratically by the people of Ireland.
Unbelievable.
Nominate Taoiseach here today. We will be standing by that. Stand before this House, elect
You may as well take your seat over there if that's the behaviour that we're going to see. It's not acceptable. Not acceptable.
Ceann Comhairle. It is an honour to propose finally the name of Micheál Martin for appointment Taoiseach Verona Murphy.
No way.
Outrageous, absolutely outrageous.
Reasonable measure.
Outrageous.
Deputy Martin has shown.
Outrageous. No agreement. There was no agreement. No agreement. Michael Lowry is an opposition TD.
He will be a Taoiseach of substance.
Tomorrow morning.
Because every day.